Okay, she got every single night, and I don't want that.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some quick features in the Task Manager. So let's get into the video. So how you can open the Task Manager is go into your start menu right here and you right click on it and you hit Task Manager. And here I'm just going to open some stuff, maybe this. There we go. Alright, so now wait, let me open some more stuff so this video makes more sense. I'm gonna do it for the content. There we go. Once you're on this page, make it full screen, and if you might be on the same page as me right here, and all you gotta hit is hit more details at the bottom. Now you're like, what the hell is this? This is some sort of mathematician thingy. Oh my god, what have you got me into? Jeez, this is like, no, I can't do this, sorry, goodbye. No, it's pretty simple. It's not a lot of complicated stuff I'm going to be showing you. It's actually really helpful stuff that you might need in a situation when you can't close out a app. So say one day your YouTube crashed. By the way, go subscribe right now. Anyway, let's not get off topic. So let's say your Google crashed or your YouTube crashed, and you can't close out Google no matter how much you press the X, and if you right click on Google and you press close window, it doesn't close that way either. Let's say you had no way to do it and you don't want to shut down your computer because you have unsaved work on your computer, like you have a Word document that's unsaved and you really need it because you're really good at writing whatever you wrote, and then and you don't want to close out your computer. All you need to do close out an app if that sort of situation happens is look for Google. So for example, in this case I have Google open and inside that is YouTube, so I need to find Google if it stops running around. So right there, Google, yes, okay, I got it. Now it's highlighted. All I need to do is select it and press end task, and as you can see, it's gone. So now if I go, like, the underline thing is gone. So like if I go to Microsoft Edge, it's there still, but if I go to Google, I can't highlight over it to show the little window thing to press on it. So it's actual, like, I need to actually go ahead and go on it again. And one more thing, I'm going to open up Google again. One more thing, and this is if you see like arrows on one of these applications, as you can see right here, don't worry. All that means is, like, say Google right here, all it means is there's apps in that app that are running. So say wait, where's Google? So in Google, where did it go? Keeps on moving, come on, don't run. So here, these are all the things that are running in Google. All the things. All of this is running in Google, just in Google Chrome. There's 13 things running in Google, and you can even like see you can even close out just that specific thing. So here you can just close out that. So yeah, and then you can also check how much memory it's using, how much memory everything on this is using, and you can also sort it out by, so the default page would be like this, it's going to say 00000. You can also sort it out by the highest, so you can sort it out by the highest memory and CPU and disk and network and GPU. You can sort it out by the highest like amount of those titles, and you can sort it out by the lowest, which is like basically all 0%, but whatever. you can and it's gonna tell if you sort it out by the highest, which lots of people use to see what's taking up the most space on their computer, to like shut down that so like the computer won't get too laggy, is they just press on, they just look at CPU. The CPU is like the thing that like runs everything and stuff. So if you see, like, I'm gonna close out the thing that takes the most. I'm not gonna close out Snagit because that is my screen recorder. I'm not gonna close out that will end the video. But if I close out like Task Manager on it goes back and forth. But it will always constantly be updating. So yeah, and it's also gonna be showing you the power usage. So it's low, very low, and you can sort this one out as well. So very low is my highest. Yeah, very low is my highest. Yeah. So yeah, and then wait, go up. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you can tell that some apps. Oh, it froze. Okay, never mind. So you can. This is basically usually used to close out apps that have crashed and you can't close them out. So say you wanna now, so now you wanna see what's your performance on the apps, like in general. All you gotta do is go up to here and press performance, and you can see how much CPU is being used, how much memory, how much disk, which is barely anything, how much Ethernet, and how much Wi-Fi, and how much GPU. The CPU, it's usually like moving a lot always, and this bottom bit up here, down here, sorry, is always going to be updating. So yeah, and you can check memory to see how much memory is being used while your computer is working. This memory isn't always isn't the memory in your thing. So this memory, this memory here, this isn't the memory there. That's just your like it's called so it's like a computer memory. Like it's always gonna be working. Always there's constantly stuff being added to it. So this isn't actually the memory in that. Otherwise, your hard drive will be this C drive would be full in 10 seconds literally. This would be full in like 2 seconds. So it's not your usual memory. And yeah, so that's and there's also Ethernet, which is like other like sort of network thingies to be received like to other applications. So Hamachi is an application that gives you an IP address, like a public IP address to use for like making games and stuff. That's why it's the only one there, because that's the only like that's the only IP address application thingy that I use to make like games and stuff for like other people to play online. So Hamachi is used for that, and you can see how much Wi-Fi is being used. Oh my god. And whoa, that looks like some sort of signal. What does that look like? Whoa, why does this looks like a building now? Okay, but as you can see, this is always updating as well, and the GPU is always updating as well. So yeah, that is basically all I had to say for this video. It was a really short one today. I hope you enjoyed it though, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. We're already so close to 900 and it hasn't even been 2 weeks. We're already at 840, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Okay,